International Society for Krishna Consciousness Iskcon is the one of the big institutions which established by A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. His message are clear-cut. We can know what he said in books and his lectures, and his any other's behavior we can see he never ever doing joking while he giving lecture. He always talking as a serious sadhu, because serious message if we put in the way and joking, then serious message become weak and its effects is not powerful. But nowadays we can see there are so many sadhus who saying their self they are representative of Iskcon, traveling in the world and preaching as a big sadhu. But they are already famous because they speak motivational talks without Krishna. It's look like a completely different than Srila Prabhupada message. They are using so many facilities by congregation donation. They achieving big amount, and also he receiving very big amount when any kinds of programs, interviews and so on. This is look like a celebrity life, but they wearing dress of sadhu and they thinking they are representative of God Krishna and Srila Prabhupada. But foolish people are accepting their nonsense instructions, which instructions are no value because they talking without following his previous guru as Prabhupada. We know who is that person. That person name is Gaur Gopal Das. Everybody following and listening him. Please be careful because of previous guru instructions are not matching. He visited on a famous comedy show and they presenting their spiritual message. You know comedy way that's decrease the value of strong message. If we waste our time as doing such a comedy and only talking nonsense as motivational speech. Gaur Gopal Das never talking about Krishna's past time. Also he never say about Prabhupada in any interview and any videos, because if he talking like other guru who following his previous parampara message, then he may not become famous as much as famous now he become. So people should know the real sadhu never compromise their strong message in any conditions. But Gaur Gopal Das we can see he always doing compromise to talks in all kinds of interviews. Please share it and save your relatives who following and hearing Gaur Gopal Das.